My name is Kenneth Paschal. I am from Pelham, Alabama, and I'm a victim of family court and attorney misconduct. I'm a retired United States Army First Sergeant. I have maintained a top secret security clearance and served our country for over 21 years. I chose to retire to spend more time with my daughter. I'm a Christian, a patriot, a second-year PTO board member, and serve as the PTO fundraiser chairperson at our daughter's school. I was selected by our daughter's teacher to participate in the Junior Achievement Program by teaching our daughter's class. I have no felonies and no drug charges, a clean criminal record with no criminal charges of any kind. I have never missed one financial obligation of our daughter. I'm clearly a fit parent. As a fit father, I have been deprived of my God-given Constitution-protected fundamental rights and federal rights to have a close relationship to my daughter. I have been denied all physical contact with her since October 2011. My ex-wife and I divorced in 2008 with one child together. We shared joint legal custody, and my ex-wife has primary residence, which included me having limited time, first, third, fifth, weekend visitation, and one overnight visit during the week. Shelby County Judge Harper approved this agreement. Since then, my daughter rights have slowly been stripped away without any legal justification other than corruption of the good old boy system in Shelby County, Alabama. Alabama judicial system has failed me and my daughter and over 40,000 other children each year. In 2009, my ex-wife made the following statement: "I'm a white woman and you're a black man in Shelby County. The judge will rule in my favor 100% of the time." She was right, because Shelby County Judge Hub Harrington has ruled in her favor 100% of the time without any supporting documentation. In 2008, Judge Hub Harrington assumed the duties as judge over my case after Judge Harper signed the final divorce decree agreement between me and my ex-wife. Judge Harrington is very demeaning and very degrading toward me and my military service. In open court, he stated, "Who do you think pay your salary to sit on your butt?" Other degrading language from Judge Hub Harrington includes, "I just wonder, why do you thought that because you were in the military, you're entitled to special privileges? And if you really care about your daughter, you get a real job and make more money for your daughter." Prior to my divorce, I attended 100% of our daughter's activities. There was nothing wrong with my retirement status and my involvement in our daughter's day-to-day life before my divorce, but this untrained judge, Hub Harrington, has a personal preference with a disregard for the law and the United States Constitution. Judge Harrington allowed my ex-wife to move our daughter with a temporary order over 2,200 miles to California, despite the clear and plain language in Alabama law that prohibits such relocation. Judge Hub Harrington was appointed by Governor Bob Riley as a family law judge. However, he has no family law experience. My daughter was allowed to relocate to California because the mother might attain a job in California with her uncle. The mother's attorney, Jim Pinot, highlighted California is more diverse. Prior to one court hearing, Judge Hub Harrington allowed the bailiffs to bring iron chains into the courtroom and drop them to the floor. The Shelby County Sheriff deputies have followed me around in the courthouse on numerous occasions. Prior to one court hearing, Judge Hub Harrington allowed the bailiffs to bring iron chains into the courtroom and drop them to the floor. The Shelby County Sheriff deputies have followed me around in the courthouse on numerous occasions. This ceased after I filed an affidavit with the court clerk questioning why I was the only individual being followed by security guards. I was also met outside the courthouse by armed security guards that appeared to be ordered to stand outside the courthouse to interrogate me to enter the building. I have been even ordered to a 2-minute phone call with my daughter for no legal reasoning. Later, it changed to a 5-minute phone call, then back to a 2-minute phone call. Now, I'm ordered to make no phone calls at all. I have been ordered and restricted not to eat lunch with our daughter for no legal reasoning. Now I can't eat lunch with my daughter at all. I haven't seen my only child since October 21st, 2011, for no legal justification other than an ex-wife aided by a corrupt Hub Harrington, attorney Jim Pinot, Vicky Smith, the child JL, and a child counselor, Dan Lowry. Mr. Lowry committed perjury on the witness stand, but advertised as a Christian counselor. Alabama law indicates it is the policy of this state to assure that minor children have frequent and continuing contact with parents, and to encourage parents to share in the rights and responsibilities of rearing their children after the parents have separated or dissolved their marriage. There is no legal justification for Judge Hub Harrington to infringe upon my daughters and my God-given rights. Hub Harrington is abusing my daughter. I ask you to protect our constitutional rights to have the God-given ability to have a loving and nurturing relationship. Each day that passes is a new civil rights violation. To all elected leaders, will you tell the American citizens, why do we remove fit parents from the lives of children every day? Please help me stop this injustice. Please help me regain my rights and my daughter.